Very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that everybody is good at home. Students, now we'll start the third part of our chapter. The chapter 2 is continuing of history. Chapter 2 on the trail of the earliest people. Okay. Students, see, I'm just asking some question before starting this topic. You can answer me. Okay. I'm showing you something. Do you know what is called it? This is fire. And we use the fire in so many things. Yes or no? But yes, I lit the candle here also. So it is very easy to lit the candle with the help of this fire. We use this fire for cooking food, for keep ourselves warm. Yes or no? And it is a very big source of a light. Okay. जब आपके घर में light चली जाती है तो what you did? You do that you lit the candle, so it gives you light. Nowadays, so everybody is having the inverter and generator at the home, but in some hilly area and a regional village area, still the people don't have any inverter and generators. So they use simple candle, and with the help of this fire, we lit the candles and all that. Yes, and mainly in your kitchen. Okay, so mainly in kitchen, you always see that your mother is used to gas fire for making food. ठीक है, उससे पहले क्या था स्टूडेंट? When we are not having a gas stoves and all that, so we cook the food on that चूल्हा. जो पुराने लोग थे वो चूल्हे पे खाना बनाते थे, and they used to lit that चूल्हा with the help of coal and wood. So it is very easy that the fire makes our life very easy. Okay, but do you think that this fire is also used by the early humans? अभी तो फायर का यूज करना इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट. I just lit this lighter. We use lighters. We use matchstick to lit the fire. But क्या उस समय भी ये इतना easy था? It is very easy like that, like today's? No, students. So now we will start the topic finding about fire. Okay, how the earliest people find about the fire, how they came to know about the fire. So we came to know that early humans used the fire because we found the ash in Kurnool caves. Okay, Kurnool caves, I am telling you, it is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, there is a place in Andhra Pradesh, is Rayal Sima. This is the region where these caves are situated. Okay, and in which state is situated? It is in Andhra Pradesh. So Kurnool caves, we found the ashes of fire in Kurnool caves, and that early people use the fires as a source of light to cook food and to scare wild animal. Yes, student, this is some different points here to scare the wild animal. देखो उस समय they don't have a pakka houses. They were not living in the house as we are living nowadays. They don't have this type of a houses. They were not secure at all. ठीक है, because they were living in jungle. They used to live in rocks shelter, है ना? हमने बात करी थी last video में. So these rock shelters are very open. These caves were very open. In these wild animals, they were living in jungle, so they are scared of wild animals. So when they came to know how to use the fire, they use the fire as a source of light. Yes, as we do. Yeah, हम भी तो करते हैं. ठीक है, we use fire as a cooking food. Same they used. This is a very different point which they used in their time, but right now we people are not using because we are living in a safe houses, safe places. ठीक है, early humans नहीं रहते थे safe places पे. ठीक है, तो they use this fire as a to scare the wild animal. Okay, students, before first of all I will explain the text here, then I will show you some clips of all these things. ठीक है, and see, so the invention of fire, student, is a very story behind it, that how they came to know about the fire. उन्होंने fire का invention कैसे करा? Okay, you know that they use the stone tools and some tricks, for making this tool they use some special techniques. They hit the stone by stone. Yes or no? है ना? So when once they were using this type of a techniques for making the stone, and they were I think they were in jungle somewhere, in the dry leaves here and there. Sorry students. So when they were just hitting one stone to another stone, the spark came out. Spark, you know, chingari, and the spark came out, and that it just lit the dry leaves. Okay, and that fire just invented by this way. तो इस तरीके से जब वो स्टोन को हिट कर रहे थे तो उसमें से स्पार्क निकला, एंड दैट स्पार्क जस्ट फायर दैट ड्राई लीव्स. ओके, तो दे केम टू नो कि ये कुछ ऐसी चीज है कि अगर हम स्टोन टू स्टोन हिट करते हैं, वी गॉट सम स्पार्क लाइक दिस, एंड वी यूज दिस स्पार्क टू इन अ डिफरेंट वेज. ठीक है, ये वी कैन यूज दिस स्पार्क और दिस लाइट एज अ सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. वी कैन कुक द फूड. ओके, एंड then later on they use the fire as so many things. Okay students, so in this way they start using the fire. After the fire, when they use the they start using the fire students, so fire give us heat, you know that. ठीक है, जो हमें heat मिलती है, so what would happen gradually, they start making all these things. They start to use roast food. They start making a light for them. So same, the environment became changed gradually. Okay, so this is a very great change in their life. This fire invention made their life very changed, and by this invention of fire, so many changes took place in the environment also. But डोंट थिंक सो स्टूडेंट्स की जो चेंजेस होते हैं एनवायरमेंट में, इट्स रिफ्लेक्ट्स वेरी सून, इट्स रिफ्लेक्ट वेरी क्विकली. नो, इट्स रिफ्लेक्ट्स ग्रेजुअली. ओके, जैसे अब हमारा एनवायरमेंट चेंज हो रहा है ड्यू टू पॉल्यूशन, इट बिकम्स वेरी मच हॉट. सेम इन दिस वे, व्हेन दे यूज स्टार्ट फायर एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, द एनवायरमेंट्स ग्रेजुअली चेंज. ठीक है, 12,000 years ago, climate changed to a relative warm conditions. Earlier, before the 12,000 years ago, the climate was very cold of the earth. ठीक है, अर्थ का जो क्लाइमेट था वो बहुत कोल्ड था स्टूडेंट्स. बट 12,000 years ago जो क्लाइमेट में चेंजेस आए, वो क्या हुआ, अर्थ की जो क्लाइमेटिकल कंडीशन से इट बिकम्स हॉट. इट बिकेम हॉट. दिस इंक्रीज द ग्रासलैंड. थस ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स, cattle, goats, etc. People started herding and rearing those animals. Students, when the climate change and it becomes warm, so what would happen that time? That grasslands, you know, grassland means घास के मैदान. ठीक है, गर्मी से क्या हुआ, the grasslands increase, the lands become green. Okay, उससे पहले क्या था, always most of the time the land covered with the snow, and the climate was very much cold. So the survival in that climate was also very typical. It's very harsh to survive in that type of a climate. Okay, but gradually when we use the fire and the climatical changes took place, the grassland increase. So when the grassland increase, so grass eating animals, you know, herbivorous animals कौन कौन से होते हैं grass eating animals, cow, buffalo, goats, they all start developing. ठीक है, तो goat grass भी, मतलब goats हो गई, cattles हो गए, buffalo, cows, they all start grass eating animals भी लोग rear करने लगे. People starting herding and rearing. Herding means to say, this is a term of herding and rearing students. So herding means to होता है बेटा किसी भी जानवर को, एनिमल्स को एक ग्रुप में, हर्ड. ओके, एंड रियरिंग मीन्स टू उसको छोटे से लेकर बड़ा तक उसको ब्रॉट अप करना, मीन्स पालना. तो उन्होंने जानवरों को, एनिमल्स के ग्रुप्स को, एनिमल्स के झुंड को पालना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है, विच टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स दे हैव टू हर्डिंग the grass eating animals like cow and buffalo and goats. Okay, so this environment changes to make their life very different. How they make their life very different? When they herding the animals, herding and rearing the animals, they start agriculture. Okay, what they have started? they started agriculture. Do you know what is the meaning of agriculture? For agriculture means to say cultivate crops. Agriculture means खेती, जो हम लोग करते हैं, farming करते हैं. We all do farmings. We are having a farmhouses also. Yes. So, अब देखो how these all points are correlated with each other. Due to this fire, the invention of fire, when the people are using the fire, gradually the environment becomes more warm, more hot. Due to this climatical condition, when the climatical condition change and climatic becomes warm, so that grasslands increase. Okay, जब ग्रासलैंड इंक्रीज हुए तो ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स भी लोगों ने पालने शुरू कर दिए, हर्डिंग एंड वेयरिंग स्टार्ट कर दी उनकी. व्हेन दे स्टार्ट हर्डिंग एंड वेयरिंग ऑफ द ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स, दे स्टार्ट एग्रीकल्चर. ग्रासलैंड जब स्टार्ट हुआ स्टूडेंट्स, तो लोगों ने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया? एग्रीकल्चर करना शुरू कर दिया. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो सम वेरी देखो, ग्रेन बेयरिंग ग्रासेस लाइक व्हीट, बार्ले, maize, rice grew naturally in different parts of the world. What would happen that time? You can imagine. Okay, क्या हुआ होगा इस समय? देखो, जब grassland increase हुए, तो some grasses, those are bearing the grains. Automatically they grown up. Okay, just like a wheat, barley, maize, rice. Because this time to we know about the name of all these things, but these people of early humans, they didn't know about all these things. They only knew that some grasses are giving us grains. Okay, so जब ये grasses develop हुई, तो उनको उन grasses से क्या मिलना शुरू हुआ? Wheat, barley, maize, rice. These are grew naturally. ये naturally grow up हुए थे. इनको ग्रो नहीं करा गया था, मीन्स इनको सीड इनको सो नहीं करा गया था. जैसे आजकल तो हम लोग इनकी खेती करते हैं ना, हम फार्मिंग करते हैं, हम वीट, इन सब जो हमारी ये क्रॉप्स हैं, उनको हम पहले हम उनके सीड्स यू करते हैं, देन दे इट वुड ग्रोन अप. यस, बट इन दैट अर्ली टाइम्स दे ग्रू नेचुरली. ओके, एंड दे रिकॉग्नाइज दैट दीज ग्रेन्स वर ईडेबल. They could eat these type of grains in their food. Okay, so people learned about them and found them as an easy way to use them as meal. Meal, you know what is the meaning of meal here? Meal means to say food. Meal means to say 3 times of a food in your day. Okay, so when they got these type of grains, they found them. In this way, it is very easy to found them. To found these grains is very easy way to use them as a meal. उन्हें ये easy क्यों लगा बताओ? Before they were only dependent on hunting, and they depend on the fruits, whatever the fruits and roots they got from the forest. Okay, for this they have to put lot of efforts, है ना? They have to put lot of efforts. ठीक है, they have to move here and there, they have to change their places, because if they stayed in a one place, they ate up all the edible sources, they ate all the animals by hunting, है ना? When they come to know that these grasses gave us grain, and it is a very easy way कि हम इनको अपने मील में, अपने खाने में इसको हम क्या करते हैं? इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, so they started to grow crops. Then after it they started to grow crops. अब पहले तो ये नेचुरली ग्रो हुए थे, अब उसके बाद जब उन्होंने इसको अपने मील में इंक्लूड कर लिया, एंड दे केम टू नो कि दैट इज अ वेरी इजी वे टू फीड देमसेल्फ, सो दे स्टार्टेड टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स. तब उन्होंने क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है, नाउ दिस रिक्वायर अ ग्रेट केयर, time and dedication, so they had less and less time to go for hunting and wandering from one place to another place. Slowly permanent settlements appeared. ठीक है, after making, when they start agriculture, then some developments and some changes took place in their life also. As you see, you people are also living in a rural area. There are so many farms surrounding to you. you know that the farmers grow the crops, है ना, and some of your parents also they had same occupations, so you know very well कि how much efforts they put to grow the crops. So many times they have to visit to see the crops, to look after the crops. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कोई और animals आके आपकी crops खराब कर दें. You have to give a great care of them. ठीक है, you have to give a great time and dedication to grow these crops. Yes or no? अभी भी तो आपके पेरेंट्स या जो फार्मर्स हैं, ठीक है, अगर हम कोई भी प्लांट अपने घर में लगाते हैं तो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस प्लांट. यस, every day you see that plant, you have to water the plant, then it gives you fruits. Yes, it gives you food. ठीक है, जब आपके फार्म्स में व्हीट या राइस की क्रॉप्स को लगाया जाता है तो आपको पता है कितना टाइम उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए कितना डेडिकेटेड होना होता है. ठीक है, इन सेम वे ओके, आप अपनी प्रेजेंट लाइफ को जस्ट पुट योर प्रेजेंट लाइफ इन योर अर्लियर लाइफ. ठीक है, जो हम आज करते हैं स्टूडेंट, इट कम्स फ्रॉम अर्लियर टाइम, वो हमारे पुराने समय से चलता आ रहा है. ठीक है, सो इन दिस सेम मैनर दैट व्हेन दे स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, so they have to be settled down on a one place because they have to give a great care to these crops, otherwise they would be dead and it would be not grown. ठीक है, so अब जब किसी चीज को उन्होंने कल्टीवेट करना शुरू करा या क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करना शुरू करा तो उनको वहां उस जगह पर लंबे टाइम तक रहना पड़ा, and they have started a permanent settlements. So in this way, this permanent settlement has been started that time, because when they are looking after the some crops, they didn't have lot of time for hunting. They could not move and wander from one place to another place. They had to stay a particular place where they grown the crops, because they have to give a care these crops. So in this way these permanent settlements appeared. Okay class, understood? Okay, now I will show you some clippings till here. Okay students, just wait. You can see it here students. These are the two early humans and they are doing something with the stick. This stick or this stone, you can say it is a stone tool also. They are putting on some hard surface and just rolling down it so that the fire could be lit up. Okay, so in this way they used to make a fire. I'll show you some more clips students here. Okay, so you can see just a minute. Okay, see this one. So when they start making a fire, they settle down, they use this fire as a source of light. Yes, see, ठीक है, they use this fire as a source of light, as a source of warmth, है ना. उनसे इसको गर्मी मिलती थी लाइट से. हम भी जब ठंड होती है तो what we do, we used to fire the wood. Yes or no, है ना. Then one thing more I want to show you here. Just a minute students, I have to go back to the gallery. Okay, see. See this, they start roast their food also. ठीक है, before the invention of fire they used to eat a raw meat, but after invented the fire they start roasting their meat. Okay, so as we use the fire as to cook our food, same they also use the fire to cook their food. Okay, so हम जो आज करते हैं, what we do in present, it all comes from our अर्ली स्टेज. मैंने आपको पहले भी हिस्ट्री में बताया है, आर प्रेजेंट विच वी आर इन लिविंग इन आर प्रेजेंट, मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स were coming from our past, but the things are changed due to the techniques and developments of human brains. Okay. More things I want to show you here, students. I had already talked to you about the grasslands. Now we can see which type of a grassland developed at that time. Okay. See, when the grassland develops, see, you can see, okay, these are all grasslands. So these type of a grasslands develop, they start growing crops also, and they start a settlement, permanent settlement. Okay, मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि when the some natural crops like a wheat, maize, rice grown up, so they start using as a meal, and they find it is a very easy way to feed themselves. ठीक है, उनको ये जो था वो बहुत इजी वे लगा था अपने को फीड करने के लिए, बिकॉज दे डिडंट मूव हियर एंड देयर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड. Okay, because earlier they totally depend on hunting and for collecting, gathering the foods from the forest, and for this they have to move from one place to another place. Yes or no? Huh? So things would be changed like this, students. Okay. So I have shown you these things. See, when the grasslands developed, what would happen that time? When the grasslands develop, the grass-eating animals also develop, like a buffalo, goats, cow, giraffe. These are all grass-eating animals. Yes, and they start herding and rearing of that animals. They used to eat product of giving by them. Even they used to drink a milk. Okay. Earlier they used to eat only meat of these animals. When they start herding and rearing and herding of these animals, they start using the drinking milk also. Okay, students. So this type of a grasslands and herbivorous animals start developing, and they start herding and rearing of these animals. Now students will study for names and dates. Okay. This names and dates, we divide this stone tools age in 3 parts. Okay. First part is Paleolithic age. Okay, students. Paleolithic age हम कब से कब तक consider करते हैं? Means to say 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago. 2 million means to say 2 lakhs years. 2 लाख साल पहले की बात को हम एज ए पैलोलिथिक एज कंसिडर करते हैं टिल 12,000 ईयर्स. 12,000 ईयर्स पहले क्या हुआ था? 12,000 ईयर्स बिफोर दैट ग्रासलैंड स्टार्ट बिकम्स डेवलपिंग. एनवायरमेंट में चेंज हुआ था. अब आप सोचो, वी आर टेकिंग दिस टाइम फॉर 2 lakhs ईयर्स अगो. 2 लाख साल पहले से लेकर टिल 12,000 ईयर्स अगो तक हम वी कंसिडर दिस एज एज अ अर्लीस्ट पीरियड ऑफ हिस्ट्री. Okay, earliest period of history, students, and this age is called a Paleolithic age. Okay, paleo means, you know what is the meaning of paleo? Paleo means होता है students old. Okay, paleo means old, and lithic you know this one, lithic means stone. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. It covers 99% time of the history. Most of the time people history, early human history consider 99%, क्योंकि 99% का जो लाइफ टाइम है हमारी हिस्ट्री का, वो किस में इंक्लूड होता है? पैलेओलिथिक एज में इंक्लूड होता है. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम स्टूडेंट. 99% ऑफ अ हिस्ट्री, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? फ्रॉम 100% टू 99% जो हमारी हिस्ट्री है वो कहाँ, किस उसमें इंक्लूड होती है? पैलेओलिथिक एज में. In this type of in this Paleolithic age, we used a very raw type of stone tools, because that time they were not too much of developments. बेटा किसी भी चीज को हमें सीखने में टाइम लगता है, and we learn the things gradually, and this changes showing us reflect on us gradually. धीरे धीरे ये चेंजेस आते हैं, एकदम से चेंजेस नहीं आते हैं. आपको when you learn something, it takes time or not, है ना? You also take time. Same, जो early humans था now, तो this time we are having so many techniques, very good technologies, advanced systems we have, but that time they didn't have anything like this. ठीक है? We are doing a studies nowadays on online, but that time there is not a concept of any study and at all. So you know how much time they took to learn the things. They developed the things for us which we are using as a refined way. ठीक है? जिन चीजों को हम आज रिफाइंड वे में यूज कर रहे हैं, ऑल दिस इन्वेंटेड एंड डेवलप्ड बाय आवर अर्ली ह्यूमंस. सो दिस पैलियोलिथिक एज इंक्लूड्स 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago. Okay, and this includes the 99% time of history. So in this type of a Paleolithic age, we use a very raw type of a stone tools, because that time they didn't know how to curve this tool too much. They only uses this type of a stone tools. Okay. Then Mesolithic age, it considered 12,000 years to 10,000 years. Okay, meaning Middle Stone Age. And this is a very short time of the age. Stone tools found were small in size. Okay, microliths which are attached to handle to make arrows and skulls. Okay, in this we call this time as a microlith. Microlith means to say होता है बेटा, micro means to say छोटा, small, and lithic means, I told you, lithic means to say stone. So in this middle stage they start to use this type of a small stones. Up now these small stones, they were more sharp and they were more light to handle, and this stage they used to make this type of a handle. Okay, with attach this stones, and it is just like they use this type of a things as a spear. Okay, spear means to say arrow, bhala. ठीक है? Okay, so they use this type of stones with the with this wooden handle or a bones. They used to start the bones also. ठीक है students? So this is called a Mesolithic or Microlithic. Micro means small and lithic means, what is this? Lithic means stone. Okay students? Now Neolithic age of this will considered from 10,000 years ago. Neolithic age को हम किस में कंसिडर करते हैं? आज से 10,000 साल पहले. Okay, now still it is going. After this Neolithic age, we studied our prehistory and then history. I told you in the first chapter that we have divided our history into two parts, that is prehistory and history. Okay, history से भी पहले prehistory है, which we don't have any written evidence. ठीक है? Of that history part we are having a written evidence, but a prehistory we didn't know, we don't have any written document. So अब आप सोच सकते हो कि आज से 10,000 साल बाद, आज से 10,000 साल पहले जो है वो Neolithic age शुरू हुई थी, और that is after this we call a prehistory time. Okay, in this Neolithic age we start using a very small type of a stones. Okay, अब ये stones क्या हो गए थे? बहुत छोटे हो गए थे, and the edges of these stones become very sharp. Okay, और इन stones की जो edges हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा sharp थी. ठीक है students? It's clear? Okay. Now the next topic is that rock paintings and what they tell us. Rocks paintings हमें क्या बताती हैं? देखो, we also make a painting in present time also. Yes or no? And these paintings are mostly related to our choice, interest. Yes. So same in this manner that the early humans also make paintings where they live. Okay, they live in rocks. So they also make their rocks and caves beautifully decorated. Okay, so in many caves in people live had rock paintings. So जहाँ लोग रहते थे, जिन केव्स में वो लोग रहते थे, वहां उन्होंने क्या बनाया है? पेंटिंग्स बनाई हैं. That is called a rock paintings. And the archaeologists also came to know so many things about the early humans by these paintings. इन पेंटिंग्स के थ्रू आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को जो है अर्ली ह्यूमंस के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजों की नॉलेज मिली है. which showed wild animals and great accuracy and skill. What is a very main important thing we find in this type of a paintings? They are very they had a very मतलब जो ये paintings बनाई गई हैं, these paintings were very accurate and very skillful. Okay, most of the paintings are showing wild animals. ठीक है, because they used to live in a forest. So what they saw, most of the time they saw animals, they saw not natural things, so they made the paintings of this type of a things. अभी भी तो हम इन्हीं चीजों की पेंटिंग्स बनाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बनाते हैं, नहीं बनाते हैं? ठीक है. So some of these caves are found in मध्य प्रदेश एंड साउदर्न उत्तर प्रदेश. ठीक है, ये जो ज्यादातर हमें पेंटिंग्स मिली हैं स्टूडेंट्स, वो हमें कहाँ मिली हैं? ज्यादातर मध्य प्रदेश में और उत्तर प्रदेश में, साउथ पार्ट ऑफ द उत्तर प्रदेश. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द ऑस्ट्रिचेस ऑल्सो. Ostriches, you know, this is a very big, it is the biggest bird, okay, and most of that, we know that the ostrich is found in Australia, yes, but ostriches were found in India also during the Paleolithic age. Okay, it's very surprising discovery students कि इंडिया में भी ostriches पाए जाते थे कब? Paleolithic period में. Many ostriches egg shells were found at Patna in Maharashtra. ठीक है, महाराष्ट्र में एक जगह है पैटने, वहां ज्यादातर जो है एग शेल्स के हमें ऑस्ट्रिच शेल्स जो हैं, ऑस्ट्रिच के एग शेल्स मिले हैं, चिप्स मिले हैं. वो चिप्स मैंने आपको बताया था जो रॉ वेस्ट निकलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ चिप्स. ओके, ड्यूरिंग दैट डिजाइन वर इंग्रेव्ड ऑन सम पीसेस while beads were also made out of them. Okay, so what we got from that, we got the ostrich eggs on which the beautiful designing are engraved. उन ostrich eggs पे जो है वो बहुत सुंदर डिजाइनिंग हमें मिली हैं स्टूडेंट्स, और बीड्स वर्क, इवन उनसे बीड्स भी बनाई गई हैं. ठीक है, सो ostriches also found in India also in the Paleolithic age. This is a very important line students. Sometime I can give you the question that which time we got the ostriches in India. So you have to write the Paleolithic period. Okay, student, whatever the explanation I write here, you have to read it very carefully. Even you have to read your chapters very carefully, because I will give a very small questions in your exam from your chapter only. Okay, so this type of a question you will not get in your worksheet. You have to read the chapter for getting this answer. It may be comes in the form of fill in the blanks, true, false, one word answer. Suppose I have given the term herding and rearing, define it. What do you understand by the permanent settlement? So permanent settlement, when it appeared, when the people start growing the crops, they have to stay at one place for their give a great care of these crops. That is called a permanent settlement of early humans. How many time periods of history covers in the Paleolithic age? That is a 99%. Okay, Paleolithic age जो है वो हिस्ट्री का कितना टाइम पीरियड कवर करती है? तो वो that is a 99 years. Which time will considered as a Paleolithic age? The Paleolithic age considered for 2 million years to 12,000 years ago. Yes, so this type of a question you will get only through your chapters. You will not get this type of answers or a question in your worksheets. So please student, this is my request to you all. Watch the videos very carefully. Take your time for your studies. Take out your time for studies to be very regular in classes, and please don't miss the Zoom class. Okay, because in Zoom class I just try to teach you in some different way. Okay, in earlier class I'm just try to show you some different things. Students, in the video which I have posted on the Thursday, I had a word with you regarding the Alpha movie. Alpha, ALPHA, Alpha movie. You can see this movie on YouTube, some MX Player also. Okay, even on YouTube you can see the clippings of this movie also. So by this movie you can learn so many things about the early humans, how they used to hunt, how they start using the fire even. कुछ कुछ सीन उनमें ऐसे हैं, व्हाट हाउ वाज द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट टाइम, हाउ वाज द हार्ड लाइफ दे स्पेंड ओवर देयर. ओके, तो बाय दिस मूवी एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री यू हैव टू सी, यू मस्ट सी. सो दैट्स व्हाई इन दिस वे यू कम टू नो अबाउट देयर लाइफ ऑल्सो. ठीक है, हमें एक पर्टिकुलर बुकिश नॉलेज से भी हटकर बहुत कुछ करना चाहिए. सो आई जस्ट सजेस्ट यू टू सी दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवीज एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्री विच इज रिलेटेड टू योर सिलेबस. Okay students, so hope so you enjoy this video. I will show you some clippings also regarding the next text. So have a nice day students, take care. See student, this is a picture of a cave, Kurnool Caves. I told you that Kurnool Caves situated in Andhra Pradesh. There is a place Rayalaseema. There is a reason where these caves are situated. Now this place becomes a tourist place. ठीक है, अब ये जो है वो टूरिस्ट प्लेस बन चुकी है बिकॉज सो मेनी टूरिस्ट केम टू सी ऑल दिस थिंग्स हियर, है ना. एंड दिस कुर्नूल केव्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाउंड द एशेज ऑफ फायर. ठीक है, इन कुर्नूल केव्स में हमें क्या मिला था स्टूडेंट? एशेज ऑफ फायर. ओके, दिस देखिए, दीज आर द रॉक शेल्टर्स. ओके, रॉक्स भी हैं एंड शेल्टर्स भी हैं एंड वी फाउंड द पेंटिंग्स ऑन दिस वॉल्स ऑल्सो. Okay students, so these are the pics of Kurnool Caves and see, in this way they start making to growing up crops. These are the pictures of early humans and you can see they start making growing crops. They taking out the maize, some wheat from these grasses. ठीक है, first of all they grew naturally. Later on when they came to know that it is very easy way to feed themselves, they start growing these crops. ठीक है, पहले तो ये नेचुरली ग्रो अप हुई थी बट जब लोगों को पता चला कि ये एक इजी वे है अपने को फीड करने का, देन स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट. ओके, वी हैव टॉक अबाउट द ostrich egg shells. See, this type of egg shells we found in Maharashtra, Patne. Okay, महाराष्ट्र में एक पटने प्लेस है. वी फाउंड दिस टाइप ऑफ egg shells, ostrich egg shells over there, and this is beautifully engraved images over there. You can see this is a even this is a image of early humans. Okay, दिखाई दे रहा है हंट करते हुए early humans की पिक है ये. Yes, so इस तरीके के जो egg shells हैं वो हमें मिले हैं. So ये भी हमें पता चला है. So in this way we came to know that ostrich was found in India also in Paleolithic age. Okay, these are all the stone tools of, this is a Paleolithic age stone tools, then there is a Mesolithic and this is a Neolithic, Mesolithic. Okay, just a minute students, one more eggshells I want to show you here. See this one. See. Yes? है ना? It's so beautiful. Yes or no? These are the ostrich eggshells we found in Maharashtra. Okay. Now student, I want to show you one more pic here and I tell you something about it also. Rocks painting. है ना? This pic in your also a elsewhere section. ये जो पिक है वो आपके बुक में एल्सवेयर सेक्शन में भी है. ओके, सो यू कैन सी इट हियर. यस, I'll just give a one comprehension of this elsewhere in your worksheets, so you have to solve it. These rocks paintings were found by the students of France. ओके, ये जो पेंटिंग्स थी वो स्टूडेंट्स का एक ग्रुप गया था फ्रांस के स्टडी ट्रिप पर. वहां उनको ये रॉक्स पेंटिंग्स जो थी उन्होंने फाउंड करी थी. दे गॉट इट. ओके, सो रिलेटेड टू ऑल दिस थिंग्स elsewhere I'll just give you as a comprehension, so you have to solve this comprehension in your book notebook. Okay students, so hope you have enjoyed this video and you got your explanation so well. Have a nice day. Stay safe at your home. Thank you.